Hey everyone, my name is Lance Robery. I'm the owner of Food Safety and Quality Services and a registered PCQI lead instructor. Today I want to give you a quick explanation of what PCQI stands for and what topics that we cover in our training. PCQI stands for Preventive Controls Qualified Individual. A PCQI is someone who attends and completes this training class, or someone who otherwise has the knowledge necessary to build a food safety plan using the preventive controls methodology. FDA now requires that food companies develop food safety plans using this new preventive controls approach. This has taken the place of HACCP for some FDA-regulated companies. Now, FDA has partnered with a group called the Food Safety Preventive Controls Alliance, or Fspca, to develop this new standardized curriculum. This is the only standardized PCQI curriculum that's recognized by FDA. So rest assured, FDA will recognize and accept this food safety certification moving forward. Participants that take this class will learn specifically what these new preventive controls requirements are and what FDA will be looking for when they visit your facility. For those of you who may have taken HACCP in the past, this new approach is going to be very similar. So don't feel you have to start from ground zero again. For those of you who have never taken a food safety class before, don't worry. This standardized curriculum is very easy to follow. You may also be wondering, is this the right class for me? Well, if you have any type of food safety responsibility at your facility, or if you simply want to learn more about what keeps your food products safe, you should definitely take this class. Topics that we cover in this course include the following: current good manufacturing practices. So things like hygiene, washing hands, wearing hairnets, and those types of things. Prerequisite programs. We're going to explain what those are and how they play an important role in your food safety plan. We will then talk about preliminary steps, which include developing a food safety team and who should be on that team. How to describe your products that will be included in your food safety plan. How to describe your intended consumers, and how to design and verify your process flow diagram. We'll then show you how to do a hazard risk assessment, which we call a hazard analysis. This is where our group exercises begin. We will pair each attendee up with other attendees in the course to work on these exercises together in class. We'll then show you how to control significant hazards identified in your hazard analysis. We'll show you how to monitor those hazards, how to take corrective actions, and which documents are important to keep on file and for how long. Each attendee is going to get an Fspca certificate upon completion of this training, which you can use to demonstrate that you are a preventive controls qualified individual. Check out our list of upcoming PCQI classes below. We offer public courses throughout the year, and we also offer private training. Simply use the request button below on this page to get more information about our private training options. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope to see you in one of our upcoming PCQI classes soon.